Hey everybody, welcome back to Mind Matters with Spiksha. So I was doing some research about Adi Shankaracharya's work and I fell upon these four words he says to cure any mental illness. I feel like mental illness like depression, anxiety, OCD, all of this is becoming very high. So there are four words that he uses to calm the anxious mind. And that is, first one is Viveka. Vivegam. Viveka is the right understanding. Sometimes, when we struggle with anxiety, depression, and all of that, the first thing that you need to ask yourself is, what is it that I am experiencing? We rush to cure something without even understanding why it is coming to the picture the first place. So Viveka, right understanding of the illness, because sometimes you will be able to clearly find out the reason that the trauma was the reason for this depression, the practices that you did, the hurried everything, and that was the reason for the anxiety. So Viveka, first one. Second one is Vairagya. Vairagya is to let go of attachments, connect yourself to God, and attach yourself only to the divine Brahman and not with anything that is in this Bhuloka or this Mrityuloka. So second one is Vairagya. Third one is Shama. Shama is to calm the mind. So we often not try to calm the mind, but it is of a very it again leads us for temporary joy. So some way that you can make the mind calm permanently is through the dhyana, which is the last one. So Vairagya, Viveka, Shama, and Dhyana. So all these four will make your mind quiet, steady, and clear. So where are these mentioned? These are actually mentioned in the Upadesa Shahasri, and it is also mentioned in the Viveka Chudamani. So these are the texts where Adi Shankaracharya talks about this. So for Viveka, the meaning that he says is not getting lost in temporary thoughts and emotions. See, right now when I'm shooting, I'm feeling hot, like I'm sweating a lot now. But if I get irritated because of this, then it is me being lost in the temporary thoughts. So Viveka is knowing the difference between what is eternal and what is not eternal, what is permanent and what is temporary. So it helps you from not getting lost in the local thoughts. Vairagya is letting go of excessive attachment to pleasure. Ki mujhe hamesha I want to have this pleasurable moment. Stay in uncomfortable situations, do uncomfortable stuff like that. And the next one is the mental disciplines. The mental disciplines are the Shashta Sampatti. In Shashta Sampatti, Shashta is 6, Sampatti is disciplines, Shama is to calmness of mind, keeping the mind quiet and controlled, Dama, which is the sense control, not reacting impulsively. Kisi ne kuch keh diya, you feel bad, etc. Uparati is withdrawal, which is not getting entangled in an unnecessary activity. Somebody, two people are talking. If I go and interfere them, there, what I'm doing is wrong. I should stay in my lane and I should not talk to somebody unless and until they ask me to talk to them. And fourth one is titikshana. Titikshana is forbiddance, meaning that endurance of discomfort without agitation. Right now I'm facing discomfort. I'm sweating so much. I feel so bad, but I am enduring it because I'm shooting something. Titikshana. And fifth one is Shraddha. Shraddha is the belief in the true teaching. And the last one is Samadhana. Samadhana is a focused mind, the ability to stay steady and concentrated. So this is how Adi Shankaracharya ji says on how to cure mental illnesses. And I do give one-to-one consultations where we talk about your problems and deal with it, decision making, anxiety, all of it. There is a WhatsApp number given below. Please check that. And I will see you all in another video. Bye-bye.